Hello guys, welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Today, I'm going to show you how to automatically delete emails from any sender in Gmail. This is a great way to keep your inbox clean without having to delete unwanted messages manually every time. Let's get started. First, log into your Gmail account and look at the top of your inbox where the search bar is located. Next to the search bar, click on the small downward arrow or the search options icons to open the advanced search filters. Here, focus on the From field. Type in the exact email address of the sender whose email you want to delete automatically. This could be a newsletter, promotional sender, or anyone sending you unwanted messages. After entering the sender's address, scroll down and click on the Create Filter button at the bottom right. In the list of actions that appear, check the box next to delete it. This tells Gmail to send all future emails from this sender straight to trash. Finally, click Create Filter again to save and activate your new role. And that's it. Now Gmail will automatically delete emails from that sender, helping you maintain a clutter-free inbox. Remember, emails in the trash will stay there for 30 days before they are permanently deleted. So you have some time to recover any mistakenly deleted messages. Guys, if you found this helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.